It is a beautiful day to say that I told you so, okay? I haven't made the video of I told you so in the title, but I kept saying, guys, jokes aside, I kept telling you this is part of the manipulation. Look at this candle, look at the wick. Look at what I told you. I said if everybody's gonna talk about 75K, 70K, 68K, whatever K, lower prices, it might not happen because they are going to liquidate shorts this time. They did the same thing for longers. Now they did the same thing for the shorters. I kept telling you guys because I kept showing you many charts, and I said it. I said I am not going to wipe anybody's tears if you act emotional and if you think that you are 100% right. Guys, I kept showing you guys many charts, and I'm gonna show you. I showed you guys last time. I said Bitcoin has not topped yet. It is going to manipulate you. This market is known for manipulations. Manipulation is part of the deal in here. USDC dominance is getting exactly rejected from where I pointed it. If you have been subscribed, guys, you know what you have been doing, and you are doing much better than a lot of people outside who sold their Bitcoin at the lowest point. And I'm going to show you a chart that's showing the people who came after the holders who bought Bitcoin around this area. They sold everything around here because they bought it at top, and they sold it here and they are out. So I'm trying to tell you guys, I'm trying to help you to not get screwed like the people who sold. Stop being emotional. Think about it, okay? I know economy is being weird, but we have seen the same thing over and over in pandemic time. We have seen a lot of things. I was fooled back then, and as I told you, we learn as we go. I accepted it. I said, yes, I was expecting Bitcoin to go back down to $10,000, $12,000, then start going higher. It manipulated me as well, although everything was looking horrible for economy. Okay, so I need you guys to pay attention in this video, and I made this video on purpose. I usually make my videos at night, but you guys see it's daylight outside. It's 1 p.m. here, and I'm trying to tell you guys again, everything is working as I have told you that is gonna work out. I said we're gonna see BTC dominance going down a little bit and then go higher, top again for March, and start going lower, same as what happened in here. Look what happened in the last bull run. Look what happened in the bull run before in 2017. Charts are not lying to you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys here, literally is showing you the RSI, how everything had bottomed. Even Bitcoin, while it was going lower, 6 months ago, we were around here and RSI had already bottomed. And we were again around this level for RSI. And while Bitcoin was even higher, if I can see it was on around $85,000. We went even lower, so we bottomed even lower and it started going higher. This is what you can see obviously after that. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to daily to see what kind of a God candle we have got for today. Look at this beautiful rally, guys. And I'm gonna tell you guys how I am expecting that Bitcoin is gonna work out and how altcoins are gonna rally after having a little bit of pullback. Okay, so you make sure to watch the entire video, subscribe to this channel, guys. If you follow me in this channel up to at least end of this cycle, end of 2025, I'm gonna make sure to deliver the best knowledge I have had for 8 years. I have learned many lessons, and I'm repeating this. I've lost a lot of money, but finally I know what I'm doing, and I want you guys to follow me. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. I really need you guys to hit the like button. And I appreciate you guys. For yesterday's video, I got another 84 likes. Let's keep the likes up, guys. It only takes you 1 second to do that, but it helps this channel to deliver the best knowledge out there for a lot of people, because you guys know, you have been following a lot of YouTubers. One day they are bearish, one day they are bullish. Just they go with the trend. Whatever people, they just play with people's emotion. But I have showed you with the confidence that even if you were just messing with me, you were commenting and laughing that why I was being bearish when 74,000 got hit for the first time. But after that, you saw that a lot of Bitcoin kept going lower, and I kept mentioning this level of support, and which was the bottom. Okay, and I kept saying that altcoins can start going lower. This area, a lot of altcoins had already topped, And we saw over 90% after that, and they haven't even recovered, although we are in here for altcoins. So keep watching and learn. I'm trying to help you guys here, okay? This is showing us if we keep going up, which there's a really good chance. And look at this, we got exactly rejected from the level I had already pointed for several days. Look at this weekly candle, how it is getting rejected. Again, for the new subscribers who just found this channel, I said that there is a really good resistance level around here, and you see that how it is getting rejected. It depends on how we are gonna close this weekly candle today. If we close this for USDT dominance as red, that would mean that Bitcoin is gonna go even higher, and we're gonna close a very beautiful weekly candle. It's gonna be green. This is daily. I'm gonna switch back to weekly. So this red looking candle that is having a small body on top, if we keep going up and make it green, even if it's red, you guys can see that how beautiful this body is. A huge body. I want to tell you that this is the longest wick we have ever seen in Bitcoin's history. Look, you can just go compare it. You cannot see any other candle that has a huge wick from the bottom. I kept telling you guys, I don't want to go to my channel, watch what I have showed you, what I have told you. I said sell now and regret. Don't get fooled. Whales are buying. I kept telling you guys this is part of the manipulation. If you sold it, you're gonna regret it forever. It's time to get into altcoins slowly. And I'm gonna switch it back to daily, and I'm gonna talk about what are the possibilities for a little bit of rejection for now. Because we had rally-based rally. If you have been following me, you know that I believe in rally-based rally and drop-based drop, okay? And we got this rally, got the rejection from top of these candles, and I remember when we got to this level, Bitcoin was around $74,000. But we hit this level, but Bitcoin only hit $78,000. That shows that how market is growing. Although we went even higher than this level, but Bitcoin was in a higher price, $5,000 more. Okay, so remember this, market is growing, and this level that you guys are seeing a little bit of rejection, it is totally normal that we just get 1 or 2 days, 3, 4 days, even get a little bit of higher, which Bitcoin can still go lower, and then we're gonna eventually go higher. Because this is literally the roadmap I have been showing you, and whoever is smart is going to consider it. None of these are financial advice, but I have showed you from a long time ago. I said for November month, we closed it red, but because for December, we closed this green as being undecided, I still told you that there's a good chance that we go up to here. I have been holding this percentage level for Bitcoin dominance. And once we top around here, that is the best time to get into altcoins. I have been buying carelessly. I do not care for a couple of percentages. Sorry about my cats meowing, but I just want to show you there's a good chance we go higher. That's gonna still be the Bitcoin being the leader. And once we top here, altcoins are not going to care where Bitcoin is, what Bitcoin is doing. They are going to pump. So you guys have been seeing a lot of altcoins are rallying just because BTC dominance is looking just a little bit red. Okay, this is the monthly. I'm going to switch it to daily, and this is the daily candle that you guys are seeing. We can still go a little bit lower. We're going to see a lot of altcoins rallying. Maximum, we're going to go another tie and start going lower. Okay, so we are so close. Another 15-20 days until everything, not everything, of course, good projects are gonna go higher in prices, and you are going to be surprised if you think bearish. So again, repeating, USDT, if it goes higher, that's gonna show a little bit of bearishness, but that's just gonna be part of the pullback. Again, I'm repeating, I was bearish for a very long time because I knew that because BTC dominance was still lower, there was a good chance that we were not going to make any money from altcoins. Yes, temporarily from these drops, but other than that, if you were going to only hold for several months, you would have been disappointed, because as you guys are seeing, a lot of altcoins dropped heavily. But if you still DCA in, you're gonna bring your buying average price. So I'm gonna keep repeating all of these because I read the comments, I see a lot of you guys are scared. Some of you guys are literally selling your cheapest coins because you think that we're gonna get into recession or whatever. Yes, I agree we're going to get into the recession, but everything has its own time. I need to see BTC dominance getting back to low 50s until I consider that we have a good chance of recession happening. Okay, so because we are still around here, it is a good time to buy. USDT and USDC have topped and we are going to go lower. And this is my next target for USDC dominance where we have a lot of sideways in here. Okay, we have already used all the liquidity in here for USDC and there is none left, and we're gonna probably, you guys see there is a gap in here for USDC that never have been touched. If I just want to put this line back to, I zoomed in, you see the lowest point that we have a lot of gaps in here, we have never touched that level. So there's a good chance we go at least down to this level to fill out this gap for USDC dominance, and there's a good possibility we keep going lower. And you can obviously see where I showed you guys total 3 has bottomed. We are going sideways. That is the monthly candle where I exactly put this level. We got bottoms for altcoins. This is the altcoins. Look beautifully. I showed you guys anytime we have rally-based rally, all of these are showing you guys these ties where you have a bunch of greens and then red and then greens. There are great supports which we got for many weeks and then or days. And then we had great support in here, but we got rejected again. This level is the best level for now because if we just extend it, we have this top as well. And if we just go all the way to the previous bull market, you can still find a lot of support. So that's why I keep telling you guys, altcoins can still go a little bit lower, have a little bit of consolidation, and start going higher, same as what we saw in here. So we can still go higher and then a little bit lower and then go zigzag up. And if you were in this channel, I mentioned there is good support. Every time we got these levels, we started going higher. So literally, if you have been following me, you have gotten a really good guidance for this bull market. When we topped in here, I still left this line in here. I said, we have already hit this level too. I got rid of this line. Let me put this. I said we are touching this level of resistance from previous bull market where we had topped. Also, I touched these 3 wicks and continuation of it is still pointed at the same level of resistance. And I said there's a good chance that we're going to see pullback for altcoins. And that's why you were freaking out when you were seeing that a lot of altcoins went down 90%. Okay, so this is why I keep saying that bull run is not over. Yes, it's part of the pullbacks. It is part of the deal that we have to go through to start making money eventually. But if you are still in red, if you are still in a lot of negative numbers, I'm trying to tell you that if you buy in lowest prices right now or in the next 1 or 2 weeks, you are going to make a lot of money. Again, none of these are financial advice. It's your money, your call, okay? But if we especially get above this level of support that I said, as long as we are staying above, we're going to be fine. Yes, we grabbed a lot of liquidity and started going higher. And as I said, if you are expecting $75,000 or $76,000, and I also mentioned if majority of people waiting for the CME gap around $76,000 to be filled, you are not gonna probably see it because they market maker are gonna make you disappointed because you are gonna keep your shorts with the confidence that we're gonna eventually see that price, and you're just gonna hold it until they do this to you. Okay, and you're not gonna probably have any stop loss because you are far away from your entry price, but now you are seeing that it is very close to your price. Okay, so I keep telling you guys, I have done all of these. I have lost money in trading. I have made money in trading. I'm trying to tell you, this is not the time to mess around with the futures, with the leverage. Just buy your freaking altcoins and you are going to make a lot of money. And you guys have probably seen this table, and most of these I agree with. Some of them I don't, because some of them do not make sense. But the ones that is gonna make sense are when BTC dominance is going up, price of BTC also goes up, and you guys see altcoins going down. That's what you have been seeing, that BTC keeps going up. Even the altcoins that had rallied, given 100x, 500x, 200x, 10x, most of them have gone down significantly. Okay, so there was no excuses for any of the great altcoins out there. They still pulled back significantly. Even the coin that I have called, even I showed it in the video, but I did not say which coin that was. I am going to tell you what coin that is. It was this coin, Cookie. It went from 2 cents when I called it, 2.5 cents, up to 71 cents. Some of the exchanges, it went even higher. Okay, so if you look at the last day, it is up 12%. I'm not telling you to buy this. It is on a great support, okay? But as I'm saying, even the coin that I had called that it did over 35x, it still went down to 14 cents as its lowest. Okay, so none of these coins are going to stay up as long as BTC is going higher. And no, I do not agree that we're going to go to 70-something%. This level in the monthly candles are not going to let easily Bitcoin go up above 65%. The maximum is 75% is where I'm expecting, where this close, the wick of this candle was. Okay, again, it is up to you. You can sell your Bitcoin, you can sell your altcoins to the whales, to the smart people who are gonna buy at the lowest from you, and you are going to regret it forever. But I want to tell you guys a little bit about Ethereum. I know it looks horrible for Ethereum, but I kept telling you, we are for Ethereum BTC, we are almost bottoming around this level. I am going to say that we're gonna just go zigzag around this level for now, and Ethereum hopefully is gonna outperform very soon. And let me go to the Ethereum chart. All right, if you guys remember, I had put these lines long time ago. I said, as long as we are not passing through this line, I am going to say that there is a chance that we still pull back. We touched this lowest part one more time, 1, 2, 3, and 4th time, but we have only touched twice at the top. Yes, if you bring down this line, this would look like literally a bull trap, but I'm just putting it up here because the slope of the lines would make sense like this. Actually, this can look like a good line as well. But again, I'm going to show you guys why I think that Ethereum is not going to go lower than $200. Because of this red candle. I'm gonna show you, I want you guys to pay attention if you care about Ethereum, okay? I am going to put this line in here. Anywhere around this line, around $2,000 average, I am going to say that Ethereum is gonna bottom, okay? You literally see Ethereum, how it is following BTC, and I am expecting BTC to start going higher, and you guys are seeing that Ethereum is gonna follow. Okay, we can still go lower, touch this level again, even go down to $2,000 in the worst case scenario. This level, this red candle I'm showing here, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more to show you guys this red candle is gonna hold it very good. We had never touched this level. We have never touched this level. If I just put it right on top of the body of this red candle, if you go all the way, you see that we have never touched it, and there's huge liquidity waiting for Ethereum to be filled. Okay, so just letting you know, yes, I said it that you can buy around 2,500, 2,600, around this area, even $3,000. But again, still, it's not too late to get into Ethereum. You can bring down your average price, and you are going to see gains very soon in 10 or 12, 15 days. Okay, so none of these are financial advice. Do your own research. Do not follow exactly as I'm saying. But again, this is what I'm doing. I have bought, I keep buying altcoins, and we're gonna see bullishness for the altcoins very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button if you haven't already. Share this important video. All of my videos are important, so I keep telling you guys to share, to support the channel and help others to find this channel, because if you guys follow me along, in this bull market, you are going to make a lot of money. I'm going to tell you guys when and where I am getting out once BTC dominance hits. And of course, we are going to see zigzag still, but it's still the next 2-3 months are going to be so bullish for altcoins. I keep saying that. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button. I will see you next time. Peace.